It's Melissa with the Key to AZ at eXp Realty. We're going to take a tour of this beautiful home in Marley Park. It is a little bit unique in that it has an HOA maintained front yard space here with the green area here, and you've got a small fenced in yard on the side of the house where it's got very nice little pool area over there. All right, so first off, we're gonna check out this bathroom. I do have to call out the shelves on the wall do not convey. The current owner upgraded this to granite countertop. We did also have some renovations that she did in a couple of areas. So in this bedroom here, she did have this desk built in here. Again, nice granite countertop. Still plenty of room for a queen size bed, and you've got your closet there. This room here, again, nice big bedroom with a standard closet. All of the rooms do have a ceiling fan, and some even have a couple. We've got a coat closet here. This entertainment wall was added by the current owner just to give a little bit of space here for different items on the shelves with lighting. There's a secret compartment behind the TV where you can store your router and modem. So nice, good sized living room space here. Ceiling fans. We do have your dining space. And then the kitchen, nice big granite countertop. We do have the gas appliances and a farmhouse sink. Lots of storage space in this house. So you've got 2 pantry spaces. This is double-sided here. Out in the garage, there's lots of storage out there as well. Laundry room with cabinets over the washer and dryer. Coming in here, you've got a nice tall 8-foot garage door, and we do have storage over here that was added by the current owner. You do have a tankless hot water heater, water softener, and then over here again, you do have more storage space here that was added. Out the garage, just to show you really quick, there is a alley space back here. So instead of having a traditional driveway, you do have to park in the garage. But as you can see here, it's a nice little alley space leading out to the street there. And again, HOA maintained back there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and finish looking at the house here. Stepping back inside, let's take a look at the owner's suite. This has a couple of things that have been modified in here. So nice ceiling fan. The barn door was put in by the prior owner. So you've got a little bit more privacy there in the bathroom. You do have a nice big walk-in closet. Ceiling fan in here, lots of space. You do have the mirrored closet doors so that you can check out your outfit. All right, coming inside the bathroom, we've got double sinks, nice big granite countertop. This shower was upgraded by the current owner, so there was definitely a less exciting shower here before. This now has tile all the way up. You've got the stone and granite accents in here. Lots of storage here. So we've got a really deep medicine closet, linen closet there. You've got kind of some extra space here. And then even in the water closet, you've got an extra closet. So more linen storage space in here. Now let's go ahead and check out the backyard. Coming this way, we've got this adorable pool. It's more of a play pool for sure, but the nice thing is it is heated, so It makes a great little relaxing private area here. You've got ceiling fans. Coming over this way, I'll show you the pool equipment. The house does have leased solar, so when you are running your pool pump here to heat the pool, it is going to actually run off of the solar, which is nice. Just it's a little bit more cost efficient that way. All right, and just so that you can see how private this is, over this fence you have a big green space. Marley Park Elementary School is there, and then beyond the elementary school is the community pool and community clubhouse. Marley Park is an amazing community with tons of parks. There's a big park over there with a splash pad, so you're nice and close by to all of those things. But this house just has very nice upgrades. Even you can see here gutters where they run the water away from everything. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Please reach out to Melissa at 602-456-0712. Thanks for watching.